Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple ID password if forgotten. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, if you still have your phone and you're currently logged in with your Apple ID, well, you can just go ahead and go to settings, okay? Tap on it and tap on your iCloud or Apple account. Tap on it. And here we have a sign-in and security. Just basically tap on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, you got to tap on change your password right here, okay? They'll ask you to enter your iPhone passcode, so just go ahead and do so. And once it's done verifying, you can now go ahead and enter your new password and just retype the new password and hit on continue. Okay. Now, if you don't have the phone or if your phone is stolen, okay, but it got device protection enabled, well, you can just go ahead and go to a browser. Okay. It could be Safari or Google Chrome, whatever browser. Okay. Just go ahead and type down in the URL box, iforgot.apple.com. All right. And once that's done, just hit on go. And then here, just tap on Apple right here, iforgot.apple.com. Wait for it to load. Just go ahead and tap on reset password right here. If you're currently logged in, you can just easily reset your password from here. If not, it will ask you to log in. So just go and log in and tap on reset password. Follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.